Samuel South 1767 to 1832, Kentucky State Senator, Kentucky State Representative, Kentucky Treasurer 1818 to 1824. Jair South 1805 to 1880, Kentucky State Representative 1840, Kentucky State Senator 1843. Thomas Perrin Cardwell 1829 to 1915, Kentucky State Representative 1864 to 1865, Kentucky State Senator 1865 to 1869. Representative from Kentucky 1901 to 1907, candidate for Lieutenant Governor of Kentucky. Christine Bradley South 1879 to 1957, delegate to the Republican National Convention, 1920, 1928, and 1932, member of the Republican National Committee 1937. Bradley, niece of Kentucky State Senator Thomas Zantzinger Morrow, and first cousin of Kentucky Governor Edwin P. Edgar Hume 1844 to 1911, Kentucky State Representative 1875 to 1877, Mayor of Frankfort, Kentucky 1905 to 1906. South Strong 1880 to 1939, delegate to the Kentucky Constitutional Convention 1912, delegate to the Democratic National Convention 1912. Eleanor Hume Offutt 1894 to 1955, delegate to the Democratic National Convention 1936-1940. Harrison Cockrell 1826 to 1876, presidential elector for Kentucky 1868, Kentucky State Senator 1869 to 1873, candidate for U.S. Vardaman, 1861 to 1930, Mississippi State Representative 1890 to 1896, Governor of Mississippi 1904 to 1908, U.S. John Lewis Hargis 1802 to 1886, delegate to the Kentucky Constitutional Convention 1849, Kentucky State Representative 1855 to 1857. Archibald Callaway Cope 1828 to 1907, member of the Kentucky Legislature 1887 to 1888. Hargis 1862 to 1908, member of the Kentucky Democratic Central Committee 1899 to 1907. http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/south.html number sign 02s0oh9u http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/south.html number sign ruh01q1dt http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/south.html number sign ruh01gy1j http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/kaposi-karu.html number sign 02s00l9q http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/kaposi-karu.html number sign 02s00lfw2 http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/trimble.html number sign r9m0jfm4 http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/south.html number sign rsl1f33wg http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/south.html number sign rjm0z8ogj http:// politicalgraveyard.com/bio/bradley9.html number sign r9m0iq8ok http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/moro.html number sign rqz002n http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/moro.html number sign rg118il0i http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/south.html number sign ris1azc4u http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/hume.html number sign rub0vk5vs http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/strong.html number sign rez1dlm50 http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/o'farrell-o'gara.html number sign rez BZ0M460C http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/cochrane-coe.html number sign 02S0OTG3B http:// politicalgraveyard.com/bio/cochrane-coe.html number sign 02S00XOWC http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/cochrane-coe.html number sign RP41BQJOJ http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/cochrane-coe.html number sign R9M0 is ZNM http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/cochrane-coe.html number sign R9M0 is ZK1 http://biogui.congress.gov/script/biodisplay.pl index M000854 http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/vanwagenen-v-audane.html number sign R9M0JG47E http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/hair-harju.html number sign 02R1DHD19 http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/hair- Harju.html number 02R1D8UER http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/hair-harju.html number sign 02S0R66SU http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/coots-corbly.html number sign 02S1BPG70 http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/hair-harju.html number sign 02S0R9V6P http://politicalgraveyard.com/bio/hair-harju.html number sign 02S01G6J3